Did you know that in Vietnam, buildings account for up to 40% of total national energy consumption? Yet, there's still an untapped potential of 30 to 40% for optimizing energy efficiency and reducing electricity use in buildings. Sustainable building design has never been more important. Minimizing energy consumption and CO2 emissions isn't just a priority for Vietnam, but also for the world. As of 2024, Vietnam is making significant progress towards sustainable development, emphasizing a greener and more sustainable future. The number of green buildings has been rising rapidly each year. By Q3 of 2024, Vietnam has surpassed 500 certified green buildings, a number equivalent to the total certified floor area of the previous 3 years combined. Energy-efficient buildings are no longer just an option, they are essential for Vietnam's journey to net zero by 2050. So, what exactly is an energy-efficient building? Energy-efficient buildings are still a relatively new concept in Vietnam, while green buildings are more widely recognized. Are green buildings and energy-efficient buildings the same? What are the similarities and differences? A green building is designed, built, and operated to reduce its environmental impact while maximizing resource efficiency and creating a healthier, more comfortable space for occupants. Many of these buildings earn certifications from internationally recognized standards like LEED, Lotus, Remark, SQR, BREEAM, and at the heart of any truly green building is energy efficiency. An energy-efficient building is specifically designed and constructed to cut down on energy consumption, reducing its environmental footprint. It uses less energy for key functions like cooling, heating, overall building operations. Energy efficiency can account for anywhere from 35% to over 50% of a green building total certification score, depending on the rating system. But does it mean all green buildings are highly energy efficient? Not necessarily. It all depends on how much energy efficiency optimization a project can achieve. Let's take LEED, the most widely used green building certification in Vietnam, as an example. A building that improves energy efficiency by just 10% above the baseline qualifies as energy efficient. The more optimal it is, the more points it earns in this category. Investors need to reduce energy use by 45% and CO2 emissions by 80% to achieve the highest score in the LEED rating system and earn the full 18 points for this category. For the updated LEED version 4 and version 4.1, we need to keep in mind that a project with just a 10% energy efficiency improvement may qualify for LEED Green Building certification, but that doesn't mean it has fully met the energy efficiency goals or deliver significant financial benefits to investors during the construction and operation phases. So, what's a reasonable energy efficiency target for Vietnam, and how does it compare to global benchmarks? According to Mr. Trần Thành Vũ, an energy efficiency expert with over 15 years of experience consulting for major international projects under IFC World Bank, UNDP, USAID, UNEP, and more. To assess energy efficiency, developers can rely on established green building rating system, something many are already familiar with. For Lotus certification, which follows Vietnam Energy Efficiency Building Code SBVN 09-2017, the recommended target is 50% energy efficiency improvement. For LEED certification US, the recommended range is 35 to 40%. Simply put, the greater the energy efficiency, the bigger the financial and sustainability benefits. For developers, the biggest win is cost savings, not just during construction, but throughout the building entire lifespan. Take this real-world example. A 115,000 square meter mixed-use project in Hanoi, supported by SBVN to optimize its energy efficiency, and has achieved 170 billion Vietnam dong saved on heating and energy system investment, 20 billion Vietnam dong per year in reduced operational cost. Over a 25 to 40 year lifespan, this translates to 500 to 800 billion Vietnam dong in total operational savings, an undeniable financial advantage. Additionally, by optimizing energy efficiency, this project was able to upgrade from a potential LEED Gold certification to LEED Platinum without increasing investment cost. Beyond cost savings, the project also benefits from lower CO2 emissions, enhanced ESG reporting data, and stronger alignment with both Vietnam net zero goals and global sustainability trends. However, we have to take notice that going energy efficient does not mean sacrificing user comfort. A truly energy efficient building balances three key factors: optimize investment and construction cost, lower operational costs through reduced energy use and CO2 emission, enhance user comfort, thermal, lighting, humidity, and more. And that's a wrap. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SBVN for more insights on sustainable buildings. Got any questions? Please drop them in the comments and we will be happy to answer. See you in the next video.